Hersheypark bound. Here we go.
Left turn onto Kenneth Drive.
Shut up, Siri. Wait, somebody's missing here. There he is. That's what it does. The Jossmobile. She's a beauty.
It's so beautiful.
What's her name?
Her name is Paladin.
I thought it was gonna be Phoenix. You're a fucking liar.
But
Take that back. It wasn't Phoenix. It was Candymonium or something.
yes, look, a lot of things changed. All right, I wanted it to have a much more muscular name.
Is Candymonium not masculine enough for you?
No, it needs to be more epic and cool because it tries to be so cool with its wing and shiny wheels.
That sounds pretty extreme. What is Siri doing with us? We are in the middle of Amish country. I've never taken this route to Hersheypark before. Wait a sec, what's that? Hey, get out of here, go! Punch it, punch it, punch it, punch it! Ah! And without notice, we are next to Dutch Wonderland.
Let's go to Dutch
Let's go to
Wonderland.
Dutch Wonderland. I got 2 or 3 credits I need to get there.
Come
to me. Come to me. I need the credits. Give me the credits. Alright, so Candymonium is definitely testing now. So, not a wasted trip, so that's good.
They're testing my favorite train. I'm actually gonna eat the train when I get on the ride.
Yep, I'm not.
We gotta tweet at them. Can I eat Candymonium?
And
Can I eat it, please? I'm hungry.
And they will passively aggressively tell you no. Alright, so we've been watching Candymonium run for a few minutes now.
I found the new love of my life. I'm gonna marry this ride.
Yeah, me too. Pretty much.
Well, I'm gonna marry it though. It's mine.
She's mine, Josh.
She's mine.
You can't have her. Alright, let's settle this then. Is Candymonium a guy or a girl? Comment down below. Is Candymonium a guy or a girl? What do you think? Alright, so right off the bat, some initial thoughts watching Candymonium testing. It's nowhere near as loud as I thought it would be. It's not a bad problem or anything, but I was expecting this thing to be like roaring. But no, sounds like exactly what I initially thought it would sound like. Pretty glossy, smooth, pretty quiet. Sounds like a very modern B&M to me.
It's emulating the graceful, smooth taste of a luxurious Hershey's brand chocolate bar.
Totally. So we were heading towards Chocolate World, but we were just told by an employee that we cannot be in the area while the area is closed, sadly. So we're gonna have to wait until Chocolate World opens back up to the public from the pandemic, whenever that may happen. So till then, the only footage I can get is on the sidewalks around the roadways around the park. But still some pretty nice shots that I got from the coaster, I would say.
Super excited. I mean,
Yeah,
there were
this thing-
several locals going by looking at it saying, dude, this is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, I know, and it looks like it stopped testing now. It's been testing since we got here about an hour ago, and they've been non-stop. Like, they've been pumping one train after the other, but now there's no more trains going on, so they could be done for the day too.
They ran out of sugar.
Ran out of sugar. No longer milk chocolate, it's 80% cocoa.
Ugh.
Ew. Comment down below, do you prefer milk chocolate or dark chocolate? I want to know, comment down below. The lone trash can. Rest in peace. So apparently they're not done, though. They're still dispatching them, but only like 5 minutes apart now, so maybe they're switching out the dummies on the trains or something. I don't know. But
It's teasing us.
yeah, it's pretty much just teasing us. So we're just gonna walk back towards the car and then just get some more footage of whatever we can. Because I was going to get some footage of Chocolate Town and do a construction update and get some footage of Candymonium from the park entrance, but that can't happen today. Show must go on, so let's just get what we can get. Look at all of those chickens. I've never been able to see the new carousel building from this angle, but here we are. And you can see the carousel inside of it too. Looking pretty good. Alright, so this is the thing. Coronavirus World Tour 2020. It's gonna be sick. I took a booth into the park. Let us in.
Need chocolate. I need chocolate now.
All the
now!
chocolate.
I need that.
Okay, now I'm dying.
He's got the virus. He's got the
I got the
virus.
Rona. Run, Josh. Anyway, so I think that's gonna just about do it for today. Didn't get as much footage as I was hoping for, but still pretty cool to actually see Candymonium running in person. But I don't think it will still top my bay Sky Rush.
I don't know, man. It's got Reese's in it.
But this has thigh crushing now. That has to be better.
I don't know, man. That kind of hurts.
Have you seen my latest videos bashing Sky Rush haters?
I wouldn't call myself a hater. It's a great ride. I don't know, man. Reese's is pretty up there.
I sense some hatred.
No. Oh, no. I didn't mean it.
Get out. Out.
But
Out. Alright guys, I wrapped the video up here. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you guys in the next loop. See you guys.
But there's no loops on Candymonium.
123. Sounds like somebody's compensating for something he doesn't have. But anyway, it has a 123-degree hammerhead turnaround. So
2023? That's an inversion.
123. Catch you guys in the next loop. See you guys.